Hi YouTube, this is Automotive with Adam Levine. I'm going to be resetting the all light on the 2006 Honda Civics. Okay, these cars are real easy. What you want to do, you want to turn the car to the on position to where all the lights light up on the dashboard. You will be using just this button right here. It's the select and reset button. So what you do, you want to hold the reset button. You're going to see the whole screen start blinking. Once you see the whole screen start blinking, you let it go. And then you push it down again, and they're going to reset to 100%. You see how it's blinking? You let that button go right here. Then now you push it down again, and watch the screen turn to 100% all reset. There it is. Easy peasy. Subscribe to the page, Automotive with Adam Levine. Thank you.